I've got this coolant reservoir tank. It comes with a whole bunch of holes in it, and I wanted to put set screws in them to fill them all in. And I bought the right size set screw and everything, but the Teflon tape, even with like 6 wrappings, still continues to leak. It's just got some water in there right now. So I decided to go out and buy myself some Weld Marine epoxy. So I'm going to mix some of this stuff up, put it around each one of the set screws, and see what happens. First I got to empty it out and dry it up though, because she's leaky. Alright, so I got this guy emptied out, dried off. I drilled a hole from my return there. This little guy, you'll see what that is. But if I look at the instructions here, it says clean and repair your dirt, grease, oil, and paint. There's a little paint on mine in the threads there. I'm not going to deal with wire reeling that out. Squeeze equal parts from tubes. Mix thoroughly, apply with an appropriate tool. I like that. Sets in 4 to 6 hours, cures in 15 to 24 hours. So I got to get going on it. It is like 1:30 p.m. I'm going to go ahead and get these equal parts mixed up. My little pallet here, and get to I don't know, something. Got my equal parts. Went about the size of a quarter. Let's see what that gets me. Okay, I've got the got all the I don't know, what is it, putty something. It's not the world's thickest stuff. It's pretty pliable. You can move it around pretty good. It's a little granular. Nothing crazy, but you can definitely feel it. Wipes off really easy. Nothing needed, no rubbing alcohol or anything like that. It just comes right off. So yeah, and I just gotta wait a lot of hours, 15 to 24 hours. Alright, it has been 20 hours. It says to give it like 15 hours, 16 hours before refilling it, minimum. Like I said, it's been cures in 15 to 24 hours. It's been 20 hours. Looks pretty good. Nothing's been moving, so guess it's ready to fill it up. See what happens. Okay, got this thing filled up with hot water. It's been sitting here for about 2 or 3 minutes. Not worried about that. I haven't tightened that down. I'll tighten it down, but got that running up and then over here just so it doesn't go flowing out the top. But right now it's holding. Not a drip, not a drop. Alright, after 10 minutes of really hot water, it is not even close. They're dripping. They're solid in there. They're not moving. I'm not twisting on them too hard, but I think that'll do. I think that'll work perfect. Alright, so finishing up this video, it has been about 2 weeks. I've had this thing full of water. I've had it pressurized. It does not leak on any of the sides or any of the holes that I filled in with the JB Weld. Very excited. Very excited. So yeah, I give it a thumbs up.